So how to record phone call? You see, my phone call is recording right now, like that. So how to enable this option? So first requirement is you have need iPhone 15 series or iPhone 16 series. This is my iPhone 11. In this phone, call recording is not available. So first requirement is iPhone 15 or 16, and then go to setting, and you have to enable your Apple Intelligence Siri as well. Just enable this option. If you don't know how to enable, then I have a video, you can also check it. Just enable this option, and once done, then go back, then go to apps, and under apps you can see the call option. Let's find the option. Here it is. Press on phone, and under phone, then you can see the call recording. Just enable this option, then once you call, then your phone will be recorded. And if you go to the iPhone 11, then you can see no Apple Intelligent available here and no call recording option. So you just need to enable, you just need iPhone